Okay, so I'm gonna do one of the questions that Mr. Patterson posted, practice question number 1, trying to calculate the force of gravity Fg between the Earth and the Moon. So I wrote the formula on my board, and I'm calculating the force of gravity, so I don't know that. G, he gives us on the paper, that's a constant. It's 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11th. So I'm gonna put that first. Okay, and then you need the mass of the first object. That's gonna be Earth, is what we're looking for, Earth. And it tells us that the mass of Earth is that number right there. So I'm gonna put that one next. Okay, and then it's looking for the mass of the second object, which is the Moon, and that is the next one he puts right there. I'm gonna run out of room. 7.35 times 10 to the 22nd. Okay, so you can see I have the top of my equation written. So G, mass of the first one, mass of the second one. And then that's all gonna be divided by the distance squared, and it says that the distance from Earth to Moon is 3.84 times 10 to the 8th meters. So that's gonna go down here. 3.84 times 10 to the 8th, and that is going to be squared because it's squared in the formula. All right, so now I'm just gonna plug all this in my calculator. And I know sometimes this can be one of the trickier parts. So I use, for the times 10, I use the E button. So I'm gonna go 6.67, second E will give, second comma will give me the E. And then my power is negative 11. So I just put a negative 11. I'm gonna back up a little bit and put that in parentheses. Oops. Insert parentheses, insert right. Okay. 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11. That's my first number in parentheses. And then my second number I'm going to put in parentheses as well. 5 point, now my calculator's messing up. Okay, hold on. Let me start all over. 6.67 times 10 to the negative 11. Open another parentheses and put 5.9722 times 10 to the 24th. Close parentheses. Open a new one, and I'm going to put my last number, 7.35 times 10 to the 22nd. That's all on the top. And I multiplied it all together using parentheses. Then I'm going to divide by 3.84 times 10 to the 8th, and I have to square that. Don't forget to square it. Enter. My final answer for this first one will be 1.99, I guess, I'm going to round that up, times 10 to the 20th. And that's newtons because it's a force. There you go.